representative.
Oh.
First of all, like Peter, I'd like to say thank you to everybody for being here. And more importantly, actually, what I would like to thank you for are the community forums that you had around the state. Senator Bartlett and Representative Neese and I had a great evening, cold, but a great evening in Morrisville, and a healthy back and forth and discussion about the realities that people face, the realities that we, as legislators and as people, have faced in our own lives with regard to healthcare. Because I think it's important for you to understand that while we're not only legislators here in the building, we're actually real people. We have real lives outside of the building. We don't get healthcare coverage as legislators. So we have to figure out how we're going to get healthcare, either through our private employment. For many of my colleagues in the legislature, they actually have to give up their health care coverage while they're in the building or they have to pay for it out of their own pockets because they're no longer full-time employees. So what I would say to you is, we get it. And thank you for helping us and pushing us. What I'd like to also say to you is that we share the same goals. We want to go to the same place. As we all said in Morrisville that evening, it is a travesty that in the richest nation in the world, we do not have health care for all of our citizens. That is a and we in the legislature, but not only in the legislature, with our colleagues in Washington, need to work to fix that. But it has to be a project where all of us are working together. Because the reality is that Vermont can move and we can move forward, and we have done great things in the past. I mean, as difficult as it is in Vermont, we are at the top of the ladder. Keep that in mind. But we need to go another rung up the ladder to get to the top. Senator Shumlin said the chairs of our health care committee, Senator Racine and Representative Meyer, will be taking up the various bills that are there that seek to get us to the place where we need to go. But we also need to be working closely with our federal delegation and with the President, because without their help, we cannot remove the barriers to the goal of having coverage for all Vermonters and all Americans. So thank you very much.